Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Kunaki's channel. Today I'm going to show you how I was able to decorate this nice looking balloon as you see, and I'm going to take you along another vlog of my decorations. So these are the balloons that we are going to be using, and I already have everything prepared. I have the pink, that's like the baby pink. I have like the yellow, and that's like pastel yellow balloons, and I also have like the light green, so it's like the pastel green balloon, and these are all Qualatex balloons. So I already have them like in 4 pairs, and then I put them like in clusters of 4 and 8. So for the smaller ones, which are the 5-inch, I just use my pump, I blow them up, and I tie them 2 together as always, and then I wrap them together to make a 4. And these are the 5-inch. So guys, like always, like the night before, I always prepare everything in advance because I don't want to be rushing, because I also have to decorate the event. So I prepare my balloons the night before, and I transfer them in this black plastic bag. This is like the outdoor plastic bag. As you see, I have about 6 of them, all filled with balloons ready to go for the next day. And when I wake up in the morning, I grab them and put in the car, and I go to the event area. So this is the place that we are going to be decorating. We are going to be doing an outdoor today. So they already have the canopy up. This is like in the backyard, and the people who had the event already had their canopy up, which make it more easier for me. So what I'm going to do now is just to arrange the tables, and I also have my husband and his friends, and they are helping me with that. And so this was really easy because I had a lot of help from them. And right now they are just arranging the tables, like the folding white tables and then the white chairs. We wanted to go with this look, then we changed our mind and we switched it around. So right now I'm just mounting the backdrop. I wanted to put the backdrop at this place, but there was a hole over there, so I had to switch the location, and I put it on the other side, on this side. So right now we finished putting the chairs and the tables and white tablecloth, but because it's a baby naming ceremony, or as we know it in Cameroon, it's called a born house. So it's a baby girl's born house. So we are going to be using pink tablecloths, and my husband and his friends are just helping me out, and that made my work so much easy. And we're really fast in doing this. It just took us about 3 hours because I had a lot of help. So after we put the pink tablecloth, we are also going to go ahead and also start putting like the plates. So far this is how it looks like. It's already coming along. The chairs and the tablecloths are all set, and right now my husband and his friends, we are still going ahead and putting the plates. And we put the plates, and we also put the flower stand with the flowers, and we are just now putting like the flowers at the top. And the plates are also ready, so I put like 6 per table, like six chairs per table. Yeah, this event was outdoor, and I'm glad it was outdoor because of what's going on now. Like backyards events are becoming very common nowadays. Right now I'm just doing like table napkins for the plates. And I really enjoyed doing this. I had so much fun on this day. I had 2 events on this day. It was really hectic. Like I had to do this like 2 different places, but thank God the other one was just to do balloons. But it really gets hectic when you have like 2 events in one day, but as long as you enjoy it, you have fun while you do it, and that's what really matters. So if you really enjoy what you do, it shouldn't be any problem. It should motivate you more. And what we also did, we also added some floating candles in case the mosquitoes come along in the evening. We're gonna turn on the candles, and this is how it's looking so far, guys, and it's pretty much done. And as you can see, it's almost done. I would say like 80% done. So it just looks clean and simple and elegant, and we didn't have to like put too many stuff on the table because the size of the table is not really big, so we try to keep it clean and beautiful. The only thing left that I still have to do is the balloons. So right now the setting for the chairs and the tables are set and ready to go, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish up with the balloons and add them to the backdrop. This is like a coral pink tablecloth, and it was so bright, and the weather was really good. Thank God it wasn't rainy. The weather was perfect. It wasn't too hot, it wasn't too cold, and the shade just helped everything just look so clean and beautiful. So right now we are just going to go ahead, and I'm going to add the balloons to the backdrop. Actually, I added that gold just because I wanted to have the parents of the baby seat over there, but I ended up not adding anything over there just because I couldn't have the time to go get the parents chair for them to sit. But so far this is how it looks like, guys. As you can see on the table, I just added the floating candles, the centerpiece, and the plates and the charger plates. These are like charger plates, white charger plates, and tablecloths, and that's about it. And we just wanted a clean look, and it turned out so nice because it was going to be like a party in the backyard, like I said before, slash a barbecue. So we didn't want to overcrowd the table. We wanted to give our guests the space for them to be able to eat and have space to relax, rather than putting too many things on the table. Because of the size of the table, you don't want to overcrowd the table. So it's looking good. And I also had like these dish warmers, like saving dish warmers that I also prepared, and I'm going to also go ahead and align them. I'm just right now adding the foil to the warmers and setting them up so that the food will be ready to go, and it's going to keep the food warm for the rest of the party. So this is a really good investment. So I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, my balloons, I'm in the basement, and I'm trying to tie the clusters together. So I took like the eight clusters and I tied them together. So 8 of the green one and another 8 of the green one, and I tied them together. I'm also going to do the same with the pink and the same with the yellow. So I still have them in the back, as you can see. I did not want to use the grass to do this because it's gonna pop. Sometimes the balloon will pop on the grass, so just to prevent them from popping, I did that in the basement. Sorry if the camera is really dark. Yeah, my camera was really acting up on this day, as you can tell from the images. And because I was in so much rush, because I had like 2 events, I was in so much rush that I didn't really have the time to add some lightning. But everything turned out well, and right now I'm just attaching the pink balloons to the green balloons, and I'm going to do the same with the yellow one. So I just use my 260s to attach them, or you can also use a fish line or whichever you like. You can also use the tip of the balloon to attach the clusters together. And I'm going to be doing like tutorials on, some people were asking me that they wanted to see detail on how I do it, so I'm going to do it in my free time. When I'm home, I'm going to do like a really short tutorial to show you guys how to attach these balloons together. So I'm going to go ahead and add the yellow one too. So far, this is how it looks like so far. And so right now I'm going to go ahead and just add my 24-inch balloons. I attached it to the green wall already, so I'm just filling in the spaces and adding the larger balloons. And this is our final look, guys. It's coming along, it's looking cute. You have the green, then we have the pink, then we have the yellow. Sorry, my camera is not very is not doing it any justice.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the...
So this is the final look for the balloons, and the weather is getting darker a little bit. As you can see, the shade is going, the sun is going down, but this is the final look, guys. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and let me know what you like about this event and what was your favorite part. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video for more videos. If you like videos like this, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the decorations. And as always, I'm still going to be doing a lot of vlogs, a lot of events. I have a lot of events coming up, like almost every week. That's why I've been so busy and I haven't had time to upload, but I promise you guys I'm going to be uploading every week. As soon as I get the videos, I'm going to be uploading. So we really had a good time that evening at this event, and that was me, and I was just having fun taking pictures with the balloons. And this is how the balloons look like at night. As you can see, they look so good and they still survive the sun. Thank you so much for watching. On to next vlog, guys. Bye.